Imagine hosting a dinner party where everyone can cook their own meal right at the table. With the Audecook Electric Hot Pot, that dream becomes a reality. This portable multi-cooker is perfect for gatherings, allowing you to prepare a variety of dishes simultaneously. Its adjustable temperature settings let you simmer, boil, or sauté with ease, catering to every palate. The non-stick surface ensures effortless cooking and cleaning, while the compact design makes it easy to store. Whether you're whipping up a spicy broth for hot pot or a comforting stew, this electric hot pot is versatile enough to handle it all. Plus, the built-in safety features give you peace of mind while you enjoy the fun of communal cooking. Elevate your dining experience and bring everyone together with the Audecook Electric Hot Pot. Order now by now link in the description.